A major shift is happening inside Volkswagen, one so big that it could honestly redefine the future of the company. And it all begins with a partnership nobody expected. Volkswagen teaming up with XPeng in a deal worth $700 million. This is Volkswagen's fourth major alliance in China. And well, the clearest sign yet that the old German playbook has collapsed. For decades, Volkswagen dominated China. Nearly 20% market share in combustion cars. Millions sold every year. But when the world shifted to electric vehicles, Volkswagen stumbled. Badly. Chinese brands like BYD and XPeng sprinted ahead with faster charging, better software, and sleeker designs. Meanwhile, Volkswagen was still trying to fix buggy infotainment screens. And this is where the story takes a shocking turn. Recently, leaked images emerged from China. Grainy factory photos, no official announcement, no press release, showing a brand new Volkswagen electric vehicle. But here's the twist. It barely looks like a Volkswagen at all. The roofline, the proportions, the glass profile, the rear. Everything looks almost identical to the XPeng P7, one of China's most successful electric sedans. But here's the part that stunned the industry. Volkswagen didn't engineer this vehicle. XPeng did. Volkswagen just put their badge on it. Officially, the companies claim they are co-developing a new EV architecture. Unofficially, the leaked photos tell the actual story. Volkswagen wrote a check, and XPeng delivered the car. Let's talk timing. The deal was signed not even 18 months ago. Yet this new vehicle is already being road-tested in China. Compare that to Volkswagen's own electric platform delays. The PPE platform, meant for Audi and Porsche, arrived years late and still wasn't finished. The ID series struggled with outdated tech and software that sometimes refused to start. While Volkswagen spent years catching bugs, XPeng, on the other hand, spent years perfecting features like monthly over-the-air updates, advanced autonomous driving, and ultra-fast 800-volt charging. Volkswagen just couldn't keep up, so instead of falling even further behind, it outsourced the future. The Yuzhong 08 will almost certainly use XPeng's P7 powertrains. And you know, these numbers are real, not just promises. The rear-wheel drive model delivers 362 horsepower and around 430 to 440 miles of real-world range. The long-range version, up to 820 kilometers CLTC with a 93 kilowatt-hour battery. And the all-wheel drive performance variant, 586 horsepower, 0 to 100 kilometers per hour in just 3.7 seconds. And yes, XPeng's playful race mode sounds too. These aren't prototypes. These are systems XPeng has been refining since 2020. They're built on XPeng's 800-volt SEPA 2.0 architecture, which uses gigacasting and cell-to-body construction to reduce weight and complexity. VW's MEB platform, it's older, heavier, 400 volt, and honestly, technologically outclassed. Volkswagen says the new platform is jointly developed. The truth is simpler. XPeng built the tech. XPeng built the architecture. XPeng built the performance. Volkswagen brought money, branding, and dealerships. This moment matters because China used to be Volkswagen's biggest profit generator. Back in 2018, VW sold 4.3 million cars there. By 2024, that number dropped below 2.5 million. Meanwhile, BYD, XPeng, and other Chinese EV brands kept climbing, offering better tech at better prices. Volkswagen knew it couldn't win with its old strategy, so it changed the strategy altogether. Inside VW, the frustration is now public. Audi and Porsche executives openly complain about the failures of VW's software division, Cariad, a group that burned over 30 billion euros while producing almost nothing that actually worked. XPeng, a company founded in 2014, built a complete autonomous driving stack in less time than VW spent redesigning menus. So what happens next? Volkswagen promises over 30 new models for China by 2030. At least 20 will be electric. And, you know, many won't be German anymore. Some will come from XPeng, some from VW, Even Audi's upcoming Q6L e-tron will use a Chinese-developed platform also used by Zeekr. Volkswagen, the brand once representing German engineering, is slowly becoming the world's most expensive rebadging company. But for customers in China, this is actually good news. Soon, you'll be able to walk into a Volkswagen dealership and buy what is essentially one of China's best electric sedans, powered by XPeng technology, serviced by VW's nationwide network, and backed by VW's resale strength. And if these cars go global, into Europe or North America, buyers will be getting Chinese powertrains, Chinese software, and Chinese charging tech, all hidden beneath a German badge. Will people see it as a great deal? Or, a betrayal of Volkswagen's heritage? That really depends on how much brand pride they still carry. But one thing is clear. The leaked photos of the Yuzhong 08 are more than just a leak. They are proof that the hierarchy has flipped. The best Volkswagen EV of 2026 won't be German at all. It will be Chinese from the chassis up. Volkswagen kept the logo. Volkswagen kept the marketing department. But the speed, the design, the intelligence, the technology, those now come from Guangzhou. And the most surprising part of all, this isn't a scandal. This is survival.